U.S. stocks cautiously touched record highs in May 2015, despite major banking analysts warning of a scary summer, laden with Titanic risks, without any lifeboats, as investors remain stuck in Fed-induced Twilight Zone markets. In fact, Bank of America just confessed to Bloomberg the markets are in the Twilight Zone, and it's time to hold more cash and gold. You heard me right. Bank of America analysts say investors remain trapped in the Twilight Zone. That is the transition between the end of quantitative easing, also known as money printing, and the first interest rate hike by the Fed in almost a decade. Former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan recently warned that the stock market will get another taper tantrum if and when the Fed decides to raise interest rates. Meanwhile, HSBC, the world's third largest bank, chief economist Stephen King is warning the world economy faces a Titanic problem. Mr. King, it seems, is already planning for the next recession. In a note to clients, he warns, quote, "The world economy is like an ocean liner without lifeboats. If another recession hits, it could be a truly titanic struggle for policymakers," end quote. So, we now have two of the biggest banks in the world warning of Titanic problems ahead, driven by Twilight Zone markets, and a former Fed chairman warning that if and when the Fed raises rates, stocks will have a tantrum. So what's the lesson here? Common sense should be telling wise investors that now is the time. Take some profits on stock holdings off the table and put them into tangible assets such as physical gold. Get the full story in Swiss America's Timeless Truth About Gold and Silver report by calling toll-free 800-289-2646 or visiting online at SwissAmerica.com.